Once again.
Welcome to day 5 of our house renovation. Today we're gonna prep this wall, build a header, and they're gonna have the electrical taken out of the wall. Probably finish demoing this kitchen right here, these bottom cabinets and everything. Measure all this stuff out. And if we get around to it, we might bust that old cast iron tub up out there. But today, we're working on this wall right here. Tomorrow, I'll probably set the header in here tomorrow. Probably gonna get the electrical light this evening. So, that's where we're at today. That fucking day, got rid of that fucking tub with a sledgehammer. He bust that bitch into little pieces and shit. Was it hard to do?
Nope.
Easy, wasn't it? A lot easier than carrying that big heavy motherfucker out to the trash now. God damn, look at all the little shards of
Oh yeah, why you think I had those safety glasses on?
porcelain and shit.
Yeah, if you do it, make sure you wear your safety glasses.
God damn. Boy, you put a fucking on that. Damn. Should be no fucking problem coming. We should be able to tear all that shit down too, because they're gonna replace them valves tomorrow. I don't know if he's gonna get to that, but he'll be pulling the boiler out. That boiler and shit out. Or maybe we should just wait until he fucking cuts that shit to pull that off. Wait a minute. I don't know, we figured that. Anyway, that's how you fucking destroy a fucking bathtub. And less time than it took me to fucking measure the cabinets. Sitting there right now, I'm fucking measuring the cabinets, laying that shit out, trying to figure out what kind of new cabinets and shit we got. Laying down some measurements. And that's where we're at right now. Probably about 1 o'clock in the day. Alright, so got the floor cleaned up and the tub is gone. Look at that old subfloor, the way they used to make shit back in 1953. You don't see them do that no more. Anyway, gonna go ahead and take these off so I can pull this piece of plywood down. And I've already measured that opening. I'm gonna build a little frame to sit in there so that we can attach a sheetrock to. It's just gonna hang a mirror up there and not gonna have a medicine cabinet no more. And right here I got the pieces that I'm going to nail together to make the frame to go in that hole where that medicine cabinet is. You go ahead on it, nail that together now. Right now the frame that goes inside the hole where the medicine cabinet was at is done, and I'll go ahead and install that inside the wall so that we can have a place to put that sheetrock. All right, now our frame is installed, and because there's a vent pipe right there, we screwed it on the bottom and nailed that top stud in from the top and bottom so it doesn't have to be screwed to anything. It's just pretty much a little foundation, so you can put a piece of sheetrock in there and fill that hole up. And then we'll go ahead and put drywall around the bottoms and everything like that. All right, so y'all have a good day, and we'll continue on here in a little moment. Wires out of the wall now. Running that wire up and over. And then it'll come down to the ceiling, down in that wall right there, and put another switch in right there for that. So putting a junction box in up there now. And all the wiring and switches are gone now out of this wall. And we're at the end of day 5. All the wires are gone out of the wall. And the switch to work that light has moved over to that wall. Also, we've taken a tub out. Tomorrow we're getting a tub surround with 3-piece surround for a shower. And that boiler's coming out. And pretty much that's it. That's what we got accomplished today on day 5 of the renovation. We also got all this shit pulled out. And a frame built for some sheetrock where a medicine cabinet used to go. Got some cabinets pulled out. Scrape some shit off the ceiling, as you can see all the chips on the floor. So subscribe to GoGo TV. Stay tuned for day 6 starting tomorrow. Upload tomorrow evening, and subscribe to GoGo TV and hit the like button. Have a good day.